Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new in this channel, consider subscribing, like the video, share and comment. Yes guys, I want to just make a quick video to say thank you to Simon Ekpa, who happened to be in front line of what is going on in the southeast, especially Biafra restoration and the freedom of the Igbo people, to emancipate them from the marginalization of Nigeria government to entire Southeast. Yes, guys, sometimes when someone make a video or comment on what is going on in the country, Nigeria, a lot of people consider that person as anti-government and you are not in support of government, you hate your government and all that. But truth be told, we are not blind, we are not deaf, we are not even dumb. So why must we, go silent in saying what is going on and commenting on sharing our view to some of the things that happen around us? If you are not, if you don't feel comfortable talking about it, it does not mean that you don't know what to say or maybe you don't see what is going on. A lot of people are not in support of what Simon Ekpa stands for, or especially or Nnamdi Kanu stands for. When Nnamdi Kanu was not in the hands of government as it is today, people are, calling for his head the way they're calling for the head of Simon Ekpa today. That does not mean that what they're doing is bad, or maybe they are not saying what is happening, or maybe they're eager to destroy, government and all that, as people perceive them to be today. Some people are even, not aware of what is going on. They believe that they got to go war, that all they want is violence and all that, but it's not true. When we read the news that is coming out from northern part of Nigeria, especially the Christians in Plateau and in Jos and other places of the northern part, where those areas that has been that kind of Christian area, Christian dominated area or something like that. When you read the news and what is going on in that region, you will have no choice than to thank those who are protecting the land of the Igbos. I am not saying that I'm against government. I'm not against government, but what is happening around us, is something that we all should learn from it. I don't think that anybody is happy, or maybe I don't think that anybody will be happy to find his family in IDP camp. If you don't see what is happening, if you don't see the good side of ESN and Simon Ekpa and other freedom fighters, then you are not telling yourself the truth. Simon Ekpa, after the arrest of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, he took it upon himself to, stand for freedom. What he's doing is not easy. It is not easy to lead or to even pilot the affairs of Igbos. A lot of Igbos are stubborn. Igbo people are stubborn in nature. Igbo people are not easy to control or to command or to even. They don't take instruction to people easily. I remember what Nnamdi Kanu was doing, and people are not happy with that. Today, those people that are fighting Nnamdi Kanu are now calling him our leader, especially after the election where the Nigerian government conducted, where Peter Obi happened to be one of the presidential aspirants. So although the case is still in court, but what is going on there shows that there is no chance for him to emerge as president of Nigeria. And some believe before the election that he is the next president of the country. But what is going on today has proved to everyone that there is no way an Igbo man will become a president. When you see what happened to former CBN governor MFR, even in the court premises, DSS and the other Nigerian security agencies was manhandle him publicly, even before the presence of the court. And because he's an Igbo man, it doesn't matter. Whatever happened to an Igbo man is normal to everybody. Unfortunately, most of the Igbo people don't see this. They believe that once it happened to another person, that person deserves it. Without knowing that time shall come, it may be your own, it may be your turn, or maybe somebody dear to you. You know. So if you are not seeing what is going on, then it's a matter of time for you to see that, or maybe you can learn or you can see that when you find yourself in IDP camp. Like I said initially, I am not supporting any group, but we have to say thank you to Simon Ekpa. Thank you in many ways. In many ways. Yesterday you saw what happened in Enugu State, where governor of a state decided to, kill his own citizen, indigenous people of Enugu State, murder them in cold blood. These are evil. These are something that we need to voice out. We need to call a spade a spade. For how long will this continue? Are they going to learn when everybody is dead or what? That you called off sit at home, the indigenous of the state said no, that they don't want to come out on Monday. They decided on their own. And mind you, this is their business established by them. It's not owned by government. The shop belongs to them. They rented it. Some of them built the shop. They pay tax. The goods in the shops belongs to them. They invested their millions in that business. Not even in the government of Enugu State are not providing securities in that market. Some of them are facing security challenges. Some of them are facing serious security challenges. And the security challenges they are facing is not only in Enugu State, it is all over the nation. But immediately you call off a sit at home, the number of soldiers and policemen, on the street is enough for them to protect the market. When the government send their men to seal the shop of those business owners, they went there with enough security agencies. And on normal days, on Mondays that you want them to open their shops, how many security do you have to protect those people? If they are going out for their business, if anything happens to them, can government compensate them, their family? The answer is no. Can they bring the life of those people back? The answer is no. So what happened in Enugu State yesterday is more dangerous than Monday sit at home. Reason because these people, they are protesting without any harmful object, marching on the street, calling for government to reopen their shops. All of a sudden, from nowhere, police people started shooting guns and got some of them killed. The offense they committed is that they did not come out on Monday. I saw on that last week Monday where some government workers in Obara Square protesting, calling for people to start going their businesses. And these are government staffs, so that if you really want them to call off sit at home, the best thing you should do is to tell your workers to open their offices, not to be in the Obara Square protesting against sit at home. Because they are not doing their work that Monday sit at home, they use that day for protest. The question is, on that Monday that they are protesting on Obara Square, who is working in government offices that moment? Is that office not closed? They're closed, right? So if they close, who sealed the office? Why don't you, the way you close the shop of those business people, why don't you close the office of those people who did not open their office? Instead, they went to Obara Square to protest. A lot is going on, and we are not fools. We are not fools. We need to rethink about what is going on, and it must not continue this way. My anger is those that are killed because they can't come back to life. It's unfortunate that this has turned to this way, and I don't know why the governor of Enugu State chose to, choose this kind of reaction to sit at home, considering what happened in Imo State or what is still going on in Imo State and the Ebonyi State. even in Anambra State and other states. So Enugu happened to be one of the most peaceful in this years. Last year, when the former governor of Enugu State was there, he's not in support of sit at home, but he handled the whole thing calmly and quietly. But this government of Peter Mbah came up and started, attacking sit at home without any proper investigation or questions. Anyway, let me not say much, or make this video to go too prolong. I don't want to make this video to be too long. I just want to say thank you to Simon Ekpa, who happened to be the only one in Igbo land to react, to put government in check, to put the security agencies in check on how they're treating people in Southeast. Okay, guys, I will end the video here. Thank you for watching and see you in my next video. Bye bye.